Namaste to all. Myself, Dr. Nagaraj Kamath, Assistant Professor and Assistant Head, Department of Kriya Sharira, SDMCH Hassan. Today, topic of presentation is biological rhythms of the three dosha. First, we'll look on to the contents of the presentation, need of the study, about dosha, variants of Panchamahabhuta, then the definition of dosha, biological rhythm of the three doshas, its clinical applications, and finally summary or take-home points. First of all, need of the study. The vast concepts of Kriya Sharira can be understood well when the basic concept of Kriya, that is dosha, is understood very well. Understanding of Ayurvedic physiology with reference to dosha and its relation with environment is useful in understanding abnormal as well as normal functions too, and it can be applied clinically in the treatment aspects. When you consider the variants of the Panchamahabhuta, then Vayu and Akasha Mahabhuta frames up Vata dosha, which is called as the controlling unit of the body. Agni Mahabhuta frames up Pitta dosha in the body, which is called as the transforming unit. Whereas Jala and Prithvi Mahabhuta, they frames up Kapha dosha, which is called as stabilizing unit of the body. Next is about the definition of the word dosha or its nirukti. So in Astanga Sutrasthana, first chapter, we get a definition as Dushyanti iti doshaha. Means the entity in the body which has the capacity to vitiate is called as dosha. Then as per Sharangara Samhita, one more definition we get saying that Sharira Dushanat doshaha. The entity in the body which has the capacity to vitiate is called as dosha. Now about the biological rhythm of the three dosha. In Astangardaya Sutrasthana, first chapter, we get a reference saying that Tatra Vayo Ohoratre Mukthanam Te Ante Madhya Adigaha Kramat iti. So when we take up this particular reference and we take the meaning of this particular shloka, it says that in the early morning Kapha dosha is dominant, in the midday Pitta dosha, and in the evening it is Vata dosha. When you consider in the night, early night Kapha dosha, midnight Pitta dosha, and late night Vata dosha. When you consider dosha in relation with age, in the childhood Kapha dosha is dominant, in the youth Pitta dosha, whereas in the old age Vata dosha is dominant. When you consider the relation of dosha with the food intake, immediately after the food intake Kapha dosha is dominant, during digestion Pitta, after digestion or before the intake of the next food Vata dosha is dominant. So when you consider its clinical applications, the doshic variations in the environment will definitely have an impact over the body as well as the mind, hence it is having very much important role in the clinical applications as well as treatment. So for example, if you consider the signs of the Amla Pitta, the signs and symptoms of the Amla Pitta is usually aggravated during the midday as well as the midnight, which is said to be the Pitta Kala. Next, if we consider a disorder called as Tamakashvasa, which is usually related with bronchial asthma and which individuals are advised not to sleep in the early part of the night, because in the early part of the night the Kapha dosha is going to increase and sleep definitely will increase Kapha, which may aggravate the signs and symptoms of the Tamakashvasa. And if you consider a few examples in relation with age, then in the childhood Kapha disorders are more commonly seen, whereas the Pitta disorders like Amla Pitta, gastritis, which is usually told with, that is almost commonly seen in the middle age, as well as in the old age if you see where there is no constipation or osteoarthritis conditions. So these are nothing but the Vatic disorders. In the old age, Vatic disorders are more common with. So considering all these points to sum up this particular topic, then in the early morning Kapha dosha is dominant, in the midday Pitta, whereas in the evening Vata dosha. When you consider dosha as well as the night, in the early night Kapha dosha, in the midnight it is Pitta, whereas in the late night Vata dosha. When you consider with the age, then in the childhood Kapha dosha is dominant, in the middle age Pitta dosha, whereas in the old age Vata dosha. And with relation with the food intake, immediately after the food intake Kapha dosha is dominant, during digestion Pitta dosha, after digestion Vata dosha. Thank you.